Hello everyone, welcome to Storytime, Goof and Giggle Storytime. We have a really funny, cute book today about a trunk who stuck things up his trunk. A little elephant who stuck things up his trunk. Oh my goodness. Little Elephant's Blocked Trunk. My goodness, what are we going to hear about? What did he do? By Dosh Archer. It was a busy morning at City Hospital. Nurse Percy was helping little Jack, who had a plum stuck on his thumb. And Dr. Glenda was typing something into the computer. Just then the ambulance arrived. Urgency, emergency! Little Elephant has a blocked trunk. We have Little Elephant with a blocked trunk coming through. Little Elephant's trunk looked as though it was about to burst. He was very frightened. His mother was with him. Have you ever had to go to the hospital? It can be frightening. Let me examine him, said Dr. Glenda. It is just as I thought. There is something squeezed up his trunk. We must deal with this immediately or it will burst. Little Elephant, can you tell us what is up your trunk? Asked Nurse Percy. But all Little Elephant could do was cry. He was a little bit scared, wasn't he? Yeah. We need to know what we are dealing with, said Dr. Glenda. Nurse Percy, we must take an x-ray to find out what is up there before we try to get it out. I will take the x-ray myself. Nurse Percy gave Little Elephant some medicine to make him feel better. Then he took Little Elephant to the x-ray room. Dr. Glenda took an x-ray picture of Little Elephant's trunk. Little Elephant cheered up when he saw the x-ray machine with all the wires and tubes. X-ray machines do not hurt. It's almost impossible to believe, said Dr. Glenda. How could this have happened? A ping pong ball, a pencil, a ruler, and a toy truck are all stuck up his trunk. Just tell us what happened, said Nurse Percy to Little Elephant. No one will get you into trouble. I put the ping pong ball up first, said Little Elephant, just to see what would happen. When it wouldn't come out, I tried to get it out with the pencil. And when that got stuck, I tried the ruler. But that got stuck too. What about the toy truck? Asked Nurse Percy. I just wondered if it would fit, said Little Elephant. We can't wait any longer, said Dr. Glenda. We must remove all of the objects as quickly as possible. I will perform the procedure myself. Bring me the obstruction suction machine. When Little Elephant saw the obstruction suction machine, he started to cry again. Don't worry, Little Elephant, it won't hurt a bit, said Nurse Percy. Dr. Glenda switched on the obstruction suction machine. It made a loud whirring noise. She put it on the end of Little Elephant's trunk and they all waited. Pop, 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 pop! It sucked out the ping pong ball, the pencil, the ruler, and the toy truck. Can you point to all those things? Find the ping pong ball. Now find the pencil. Good. Now find the ruler. Yeah. Now find the truck. The truck's really big. Nurse Percy was right. It didn't hurt a bit. That's my best toy truck, said Little Elephant. Can I have it back? Nurse Percy gave it a good wash. You can, Little Elephant, but remember, no more putting things up your trunk ever again. I can never thank you enough, said Mrs. Elephant. All in a day's work, said Dr. Glenda. All in a day's work. Mrs. Elephant took Little Elephant home. Thanks to Dr. Glenda and her team, Little Elephant, his trunk, and his best toy truck were all fine. That was a great book. Yeah, Little Elephant learned a lesson, didn't he? I'll see you again real soon at Goof and Giggle Storytime and Goof and Giggle Facebook page. Bye-bye.